Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay. Now, if you're new here, then this is my channel. It's Make Money with Jay. Yes, I make printables, I make KDP books, I show you what I'm doing, my income report, etc. I'm very transparent. But today it's just a short video of Crispy Prints. Is one of the programs that I use to make my printables. Very awesome app. Check it out. The link will be in the description. But it's created by a guy called Ike Paz, and if you check out his YouTube channel, you'll see that he's making money left, right, and centre, and he does this himself. But on here, it's called Crispy Prints, and he shows you how to make money, how to make these printables to make money on Etsy, on using Pinterest, on your own website, etc. But what I love about this program, guys, is it started off with about 4 or 5 different niches, like shower bundles, busy book bundle, yeah, and Christmas. But lately he's been adding to it, guys. So he's added the Easter one, yeah. He's added like kids masks and stuff like that. You've got all like your baby banners, you've got your stickers and all that. But today we're going to talk about this new one. He's added the Bible bundle. Now if we just have a look at here, he shows you what's coming up. So look, he's always adding to it. So it's a great program to have, guys. Look, you got your gift tag prints coming in late May. You got your first birthdays in June. Sports prints, I can't wait for that one, guys. That's in July. Graduation activities, yeah. Halloween prints, that's another good one I can't wait for. Wine label prints, math activities, which is going to be good because the learning niche on Etsy and on KDP is huge, yeah. Then you got your productivity prints. But I can't wait for them, guys, yeah. But let's get back to this. So we're going to go to the Bible bundle, yeah. Now what you do is basically so simple. You got all these different games, yeah. 1 minute, slow down. But what you do, you click on here. Oh no, sorry. You click on this and you download your template, right? Now I've already done this. Then I go over to Canva, and if you look, I've uploaded it. Here it is, and I just drag it over to it, and this is what it is. This is all it is, right, guys? But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it quickly, right? So what I do here, I do it like this. I'm just covering this bit, and you'll see why in a minute, guys. Yeah. Copy that, drag it into a new page. Just open a new page. That's all it is. Yeah, and then that, right? So you can get rid of that for now. And then say, for instance, it's about Bible, yeah. So we'll type in Bible on the. Yeah, and for the sake of this, I'm going to keep it all static, and I'm going to keep it all free, yeah. Say for instance, you want yeah, we'll just use Jesus, yeah. What you do, you get your character in here, and you just make him a bit smaller so he fits inside the box. Put him in the center if you want, guys, it's no problem. I copy it, and I move it in here, and I paste it, and look, he's there already, guys, right? But we want this background to be white, so we want a background in here. So if we look for, I don't know, let's say for instance, I don't know, call it, what colours is Bible? I don't know. We'll have it black, yeah, guys. We'll just we'll colour this back to white, yeah. So just for the sake of this video, right? Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to download this now, yeah. We don't need both pages, we only need the one, so we'll get rid of that one, yeah. Download it, give it a couple of seconds, and we'll go back over to Crispy Prints. And all I'm doing now, I'm just dragging it to where it says here, click and upload your image. Just drag it there, and it should load up. And you can change your header, your like thingy, but we'll just click on 2 of them so we can see different ones. I've not seen any of these, guys. I'm not trying them all. If you want to collect them all, you can collect them all. Select them all, sorry. But I'm just going to do 2 for the sake of this video because I want it to be quick for you. You can type in sample text here. You can type in whatever you want. Let's create it. Now you need to leave it on this screen. If you click back or anything like that, guys, you'll lose it. You can go back to like your Canva and stuff like that and do other things, yeah, and it'll automatically pop up. if you look, give it a couple of seconds and it should load up in a minute. It'll automatically like pop up on the screen, and then we can check these out, guys. So this is new from Crispy Prints. I will leave the link in the description. It is awesome, guys. Here we go. See? So I'll just make it small so we can see it properly on the screen. Let's get rid of that. Obviously, you'll spend more time on it, guys. You don't want it black like that, right? So this is Unscrambled the Bible. So these are different words out of the Bible, yeah. And you got to unscramble. So can you unscramble? You see, this is where the images. You can put whatever image you want. You can put whatever background you want, yeah. Another one, Bible book names. So fill in the blanks, yeah. So these are good for kids. These are good for like parties and stuff like that. Just hand them out. You can print these off, yeah. Then you can go over to Etsy and stuff like that. Let's just go over to Etsy. Let me see if it's this one. This is one I did yesterday. This is a Mother's Day scavenger hunt, right? So let's just have a look for Bible printables, yeah. Yeah, Bible printables. Look, guys, 720 people searching for that every month. Yeah, so let's just click on that. See what kind of stuff it brings up. So it's bringing up like journals and stuff like that. But if we scroll down, I'm sure we'll find some games. And if not, guys, people are gonna want these, isn't they? So let's have a look. Let's type in something else. I don't know, Bible games. Let's see if that brings anything up. 8,100 games, 33,000 for kids. So let's just have a look. It's broad. It's going to be broad, that, isn't it? So look, yeah, you get different games here. Look, your categories, yeah. So I'm sure if we go back to Crispy Prints, that's Bible's categories game, yeah. It's where the has it got categories on this? Let's have a look a minute. Well, look, Bible Scavenger Hunt. That's going to be a good one. Can't see the. Go back to that. But you can still look. You can see people looking for games. Look, oh look here, there's some good ones. You got your trivia, you got your A to Z, you've got your another category. You got your word scramble, which we just had a minute ago, didn't we, guys? See, so this is what you need to do. But if you play around with this, like I don't know, Bible. Let's have a look for Scavenger Hunt. Yeah. Oh, Scavenger Hunt. Oh, look, Bible Scavenger Hunt. 1,000 people looking for that. Yeah, Scavenger Hunts and that. Always great for kids. Always great. Look, Scavenger Hunt, Treasure Hunt, Magical, like customized Scavenger Hunt. Yeah, and if as we've just shown then, look, Scavenger Hunt. Now let's just take these off and we'll quickly just have a look at this. Yeah, this will pop up quite soon, quick, guys. So you could easily print all these different games off. Yeah, these Bible games, right? You could sell them individually, and you can sell them in a pack. So look, here's the Scavenger Hunt. Now you can make this as like pretty as you want, guys. You don't look, black's horrible. I mean, it's a nice. I like it, but yeah, you know what I mean. You can change the different icons there, right? You can also download this, and then you can upload it back to Canva and add some more images onto it, but make it a bit more better. You don't have to have a white background either. You can put a picture in the background, yeah. You can make this how you want. Then you go back over to Etsy and you sell them. You sell them individually, yeah, and then you sell them. So say for instance on that Bible, I'm not sure, I think it's like 10 or 12 games, yeah. You can sell them 10 different games, so that's 10 ways to make money. But then you can bundle up together and sell them as a bundle, so that's an extra way to make money. But then you can also create the games again with a different background, a different image or different icon, whatever, yeah. You can also have them plain ones. You can have them, like I said, with a different background. You don't have to have it white. You can do what you want, guys. You can make lots of different ones, yeah. Easter Bible Hunt, yeah, you name it, guys. So that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please check out my channel. It's only a small channel. I'm not monetized, but I am making money with Printables and KDP. So feel free to check out any of my videos. I also show like how to make some things. I also show how to free ones as well. I give away free ones, so feel free, guys, and let us know in the comments if you're excited. But don't forget to check out Crispy Prints. Like I said, guys, it has got lots of different lots of different games. Yeah, you've got your Easter ones, you've got your Christmas ones, and soon there'll be other ones coming out as well, guys. So you've got lots to play with. Check it out. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, I'm Jay. Goodbye.